guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a cardio dance workout to Aespa, Better Things and Spicy. Really quickly before we get started today, this video is sponsored by Temu. It is the #1 free app on the App Store and a lot of my friends have actually been raving about them, so I was super excited to do this partnership today. Temu is an online marketplace that has so many different items across all types of categories, and it's really affordable. They offer free shipping, free returns up to 90 days, and a ton of site-wide sales, including my personal $100 coupon bundle, which you can find in the description below. Let me just tell you, I had an absolute field day shopping with Temu. I got so many cute, affordable things, including this very fashionable workout outfit right here. We have this seamless ribbed crop top in this beautiful matcha color. Then we also have these super flattering seamless leggings. I also got this outfit right here. So this top is the same top that you saw before, but in a more neutral color. And then we got these really flattering workout shorts. Comes in a 3-pack, lots of colors to choose from. And while I was at it, I also figured I'd get some cute fashion accessories. I could not believe how affordable these items were. They were all $2 to $3. Have these really cute pink sunglasses that match my little purse here, as well as this little wallet. And lastly, I also just got a few other fun things like these card games here and these temporary tattoos for Halloween. So as you guys can see, Temu has such a wide variety of items at prices that you just can't beat. So be sure to check them out. You can download the app. It's linked in the description down below, along with my $100 coupon bundle. All right, guys, let's get dancing. Got better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, than you. Got better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, wasn't ever sure that I loved you, but I was always sure you would let me down. I wasn't ever sure if I trust you, but I'm so goddamn sure my energy's just too precious to waste. And I wanna know me, wanna know me, wanna know all about me, wanna know about me, but you can't have me 'cause I let you know. You know you wanna know me, wanna know me, wanna know all about me, wanna know about me, but you can't have me 'cause I'm gone. Time, do in my time, than you. I got better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, do in my time. Better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, do in my time, than you. Yes. Wasn't ever sure if I loved you, but I was always sure you would've loved me back. You had me right at my weakest, yeah. Now you're hurting, I can see you mad, 'cause you're never gonna get that back. Now I know you wanna know me, wanna know me, wanna know all about me, wanna know about me, but it can't have me 'cause it left you alone. I know you wanna know me, wanna know me, wanna know all about me, wanna know about me, but it can't have me 'cause I'm gone. Will I ever go back? Will I ever trip up? Will I ever pull up on? Watch and see, but the thrill of the rhythm on it. Got better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, do in my time, than you. Got better things to do in my time, better things to do in my time, do in my time, break it down. Sorry, Aespa, big girls making money. Aespa, your #1 fan now. You can only see me at a sold out show. Will I ever go back? Will I ever trip up? Will I ever
pull up on it. Watch and see, but they're throwing out the rhythm money, rhythm money, rhythm money, rhythm money, rhythm money. You want my A to the Z, but you won't. 어림없지 맞춰봐 sweet, don't a freak. What's hiding underneath? I feel 쌍소리 득한 보면 너 기회는 없어. Oh, no, you won't get it. Nah, you won't get it. I say 깜빡한 순간 끌어당겨, you'll be mine. 살짝 다가와, can't cross my borderline. 날 가분하게 했던 everyday 흥미로운 덫을 던져줄게. 뛰어들어봐, just right now. 'Cause I'm too spicy for your heart. Bring a fire alarm. 심장이 파고들어 너. I'm too spicy. 번지는 자극 속에 너. 바로 그 순간 또 다른 나를 발견해. I'm too spicy. I'm too spicy. Don't stop, 겁내지 마. Hey, bang bang 맞춰봐. I'm too spicy. Yeah, I'm too spicy. You know that I don't stop, beginning by. Hey, next step myself. I'm too spicy. Too spicy. Tell me what you see when you look at me. 'Cause I'm a 10 out of 10, honestly. 기세가 다른 move, 너랍도 아는 groove. But you keep wasting your time, dude. Don't chase me, I'm going down. Erase me, 멀리 달아나. Hey, 이제 나겠니? 원래부터 bad, I'm so bad, honestly. So bad, 전부 가질래. 지금부터 call you mine. 도망칠 거면 don't cross my borderline. 내 뻔하기만 했던 every day. 이제 그만 룰을 벗어날 때. 어렵지 않아, just right now. 'Cause I'm too spicy for your heart. Break the fire alarm. 심장을 파고들어 너. I'm too spicy. 번지는 자극 속에 너. 바로 그 순간 또 다른 나를 발견해. I'm too spicy, I'm too spicy. Ready? 좀더 강도를 높여, down, down, down. One of a kind. 우린 한계를 앞서, wow, wow, wow. That's right. 'Cause I'm too spicy for your heart. Break the fire alarm. 새로운 도전부터 너. I'm too spicy. 변화할 시간이야 너. 지금 이 순간 so hot. 또 다른 나를 찾아내. I'm too spicy, I'm too spicy. Don't stop, 겁내지 마. Hey, bang bang 맞춰봐. I'm too spicy. Yeah, I'm too spicy. You know that I don't stop, beginning by. Hey, next step myself. I'm too spicy. I'm too spicy. 'Cause yeah, I'm too spicy for your heart. Yeah, I'm too spicy for your heart. 마침내 번져 enjoy. Yeah, I'm too spicy for your heart. I'm too spicy, I'm too spicy for you.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want a lot more workouts just like this one, including exclusive dance workouts and 30-minute mashups, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right here. Alright guys, thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you next time.